Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to turn on comments on YouTube. So it's just very easy and there are lots of ways on how to turn on your comments on YouTube. First, you have to make sure that you're logged into your YouTube account. It could be on your Google web browser. So once you're here, all you have to do is to go to your YouTube studio and then you have to look for settings which can be found in here with this gear icon here. Tap settings and you have to look for channel. Tap this one and then go to advanced settings. Now you can see here that there are three options here. First, we have yes. Set this channel as made for kids. I always upload content that's made for kids. Number two, no, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids. And number three, I want to review the setting for every video. If you're going to tap the first one here, there are people who cannot comment your video. Also here, you just have to tap this no, it's not made for kids. So other people or anyone can comment on your YouTube. So in this area, you just have to tap either this number two or number three. Because if that's the case, if you tap this number one, then it's hard for people to comment, to like, or to share your video. Okay, number two is that you have to make sure that your video is set to public. In order to do that, you can tap the pencil icon here and then tap this visibility. Always make sure that your video is set to public. Because if you set this to private, only you can see this one. If you set this as unlisted, only those people who have link can see and comment on your video. So you have to make sure that this video is set to public so anyone can comment on your video. Now, once you're done with this, all you have to do is to click save. So that's it. Never set this to private and also never set to unlisted. Set this to private. Number three is you can go back to your settings and scroll down and look for community. Tap defaults and you can see here comments on your channel. So we have options here. You have options here. First, we have allow all comments. Number two, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Number three, hold all comments for review. And number four, disable comments. So of course, you have to choose between the two. And if you allow all comments, then you cannot filter it. You cannot remove it. I mean, you cannot see it. So always choose the second one for me because anyone can still comment with your video, but it's up to you if you want it as visible to other people. And then number three, the reason why you cannot comment on YouTube is because maybe the owners of channel is your parents and they restrict some part of your YouTube settings. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.